The meaning of gratefulness. I've thought a lot about this. In order to be grateful, you can't feel like anybody owes you anything. If you feel like someone owes you something, what have you got to be grateful for? So the essence of gratitude is being grateful to even given something that maybe you don't deserve, like the sakura trees here in Japan. Look how beautiful they are. How lucky am I to have the leaves falling down on me? How lucky am I to be here exactly at the right time to visit this beautiful place in Japan and experience all this? Gratitude is something that wells up from your heart because you have something that really maybe you don't deserve. But you can't feel gratitude if you feel like someone always owes you something. That's the essence for me. So for instance, this morning when I was in an onsen and I got up, I went in to shave and I noticed that the different things I needed, the aftershave, all the lotions, everything were set there, but they were a little bit askew. And I thought, man, out of gratitude for the fact that somebody has put all that for me there, I'm gonna make sure the caps are back on, everything's straight, the countertops wiped up. Gratitude makes you want to do something in appreciation for something someone's done for you. So the greatest form of gratitude for me is anyone who's serving me to express deep appreciation for them, whether it be the waitress, whether it be the maid doing my hotel room, whether it be walking into a bathroom in an airliner and being grateful for the fact that I can go all over the world and enjoy this incredible travel, and then walking into the bathroom and making sure it's clean to leave it for the next passenger. This is gratefulness, gratitude welling up out of your heart for something that maybe you're lucky to have and maybe not even deserve. That's gratitude.